It's your boy Keenan right here. I'm about to show you how to make my apple rub. First, get 2 packages of apple cider mix. 1/4 cup packed brown sugar. 2 tablespoons of this. 2 teaspoons of this one. 1½ tablespoons of onion powder. 1 tablespoon garlic powder. 1 tablespoon chili powder. 1 tablespoon black pepper. 1 teaspoon basil leaves. 1 teaspoon oregano leaves. Mix it up. You want to break up the brown sugar. Put in the container. Shake it up. Store in the refrigerator. For more tips and recipes, check out my YouTube channel, Keenan Just Felt Like Cooking 1.